Easy English conversation related to winter clothes.
Hi Tina. How are you enjoying the winter season?
I'm loving it, Neha. How about you?
Me too. Do you like wearing winter clothes?
Yes, I do. They're so cozy and warm.
What's your favorite winter outfit?
A woolen sweater and jeans. What about you?
I love wearing puffer jackets with leggings.
Do you wear scarves in winter?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Of course. They keep my neck warm.
What kind of sweaters do you like?
I like knitted sweaters. How about you?
I prefer oversized sweaters.
Do you wear gloves in winter?
Yes, I love woolen gloves. What about you?
I wear leather gloves.
Which is warmer, wool or cotton?
Wool, definitely. Do you agree?
Absolutely.
Do you like wearing hats in winter?
Yes, I like beanies. What about you?
I love wearing berets.
Do you have a favorite winter jacket?
Yes, I have a black parka. Do you?
I have a red down jacket.
Do you like thermal wear?
Yes, they're essential in winter. What about you?
Me too. They're so comfortable.
Do you prefer boots or sneakers in winter?
Boots. How about you?
I like boots as well.
Do you wear socks at home?
Yes, I wear fuzzy socks. Do you?
Yes, they're so cozy.
Do you like layering clothes?
Yes, it keeps me warm. What about you?
Same here.
Do you wear coats often?
Yes, especially long coats. Do you?
Yes, I love trench coats.
What's your favorite winter color?
I like dark green. What about you?
I love burgundy.
Do you use hand warmers?
Sometimes. Do you?
Yes, they're very helpful.
Do you like fluffy jackets?
Yes, they're so soft. What about you?
I love them too.
Do you wear earmuffs?
Sometimes. Do you?
Yes, they're so cute.
Do you prefer zip-up jackets or pullovers?
I like pullovers. What about you?
I prefer zip-up jackets.
Do you wear thermal socks?
Yes, they're so warm. Do you?
Yes, I do.
Do you like quilted jackets?
Yes, they're stylish. Do you?
Yes, they're my favorite.
Do you have a favorite pair of winter boots?
Yes, my black ankle boots. What about you?
I love my brown leather boots.
Do you like woolen caps?
Yes, they're great. Do you?
Yes, especially colorful ones.
Do you wear ponchos in winter? Sometimes. Do you?
Yes, I find them very comfortable.
What kind of winter clothes do you wear at home?
Sweatpants and hoodies.
Do you like wearing cardigans?
Yes, they're so versatile. Do you?
Yes, I wear them often.
Do you have a favorite winter accessory?
My knitted scarf. Do you wear long coats to work?
Yes, they look elegant.